Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today I bring you a delicious sardine ball recipe with vegetables. It turns out wonderfully tasty, while the other day I made it with only tomatoes. Today I am making it with vegetables, and here I have 1 kilogram of clean sardines. I removed all the bones and prepared them exactly as I showed you before, just like in the sardine recipe I made with tomatoes only. I have 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of meat seasoning. I also have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And here I have 5 tablespoons of mixed parsley and cilantro. Now I will grind everything and come right back. After grinding the sardines, I place all the herbs into this bowl. These are 5 generous tablespoons, and I always use more parsley than cilantro. Now I am adding these spices. The spices go in. Then I add the garlic and the juice of half a lemon and mix everything into a marinade. I have not added salt yet, but I can add it later if needed. Now I remove part of the marinade and bring the sardine mixture. I take 1/3 of the marinade and mix it with the sardine mixture. The remaining 2/3 will be used later for cooking. I will show you every step. Now I mix the marinade thoroughly with the sardine mixture. Then I leave it to absorb the flavors for about 30 minutes. I cover it, place it in the refrigerator, and then continue with the recipe. In a pan I have 4 tablespoons of mixed oils and 1 garlic clove. I also have 1 medium grated onion that I will saute. The mixture rested for 30 minutes and I shaped it into small balls. Once the onion is ready, I add the sardine balls. The sardine balls go into the pan. I do not stir them. I simply place them carefully and cover the pan. The steam helps them cook from above and keeps their shape intact. I leave them for only 3 minutes before turning off the heat. Meanwhile, I lightly boil the carrots and potatoes. I cut 1 carrot into long pieces and add water. Once the water boils, I cook it for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the sardine balls have already firmed up. I turn off the heat and set them aside. Now I continue with the carrots and potatoes. After 4 minutes, I add a little salt for flavor, just enough to enhance the taste. Then I add the sliced potatoes. Use only about 1 glass of water because we will keep it later. That cooking water will be mixed with the marinade. After a few more minutes, I strain the potatoes and carrots without discarding the water. I keep the cooking water and prepare a Tajine dish. I place it over a heat diffuser so the sardine balls cook perfectly. I add 1 tablespoon of traditional olive oil. Then I arrange the tomato slices at the bottom. Bell pepper is optional and can be skipped. Add it only if you like. Now I arrange the carrots and add some of the prepared marinade. I spread about 1/3 of the marinade over the vegetables. The remaining marinade will be poured over everything later. Now I add the potato slices. Then I add 1 grated tomato. Next, I place the sardine balls on top. I arrange them neatly and add pieces of preserved lemon. The preserved lemon adds wonderful flavor. This is the cooking water that we carefully saved. I mix the remaining marinade into that water. This helps preserve the nutrients from the vegetables. Now I pour the mixture evenly over everything. Prepare extra marinade from the beginning because it is useful throughout the recipe. That makes all the cooking stages easier. I lower the heat and let it cook gently. 25 minutes are enough since the vegetables are already partially cooked. I place the tajine over a thick heat diffuser and cover it. Then I leave it to cook for 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, everything is almost done and fully cooked. Now I add these olives. I also added a little fried red pepper. I cut it into strips and used it to decorate the dish. I leave it for another 5 minutes before turning off the heat. And this is the final result of our sardine dish. It is made with potatoes and carrots and turns out absolutely delicious. Give it a try because the recipe is easy and budget-friendly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next recipe.